Hello everyone, so today's video is on two-tone, how to achieve stucco with two tones. So let's dive into the video. The first step is to get two bowls and mix two different colors, the color brown and the color yellow. For aesthetics, I taped the sample board. It's not really necessary. It just depends on the outcome that you want it to be like when you're done. So the taping is not necessary, but it's advisable. In applying two tones, it's very advisable to apply the lightest color first, like I'm doing, and you apply it plainly. After applying the first one, you come with the deepest color, which is the color brown, and apply it patterned. As you can see, I'm applying it in a curved shape. That's how you do it. You apply, you pack it off, you apply, you pack it off in a circular motion. Until it covers that color yellow. So once you're done, you let it dry, and then you come for the last coat. You still apply it patterned, and remember, you are using the light color that you used for the first tone as the last coat. That is 2:1. The first, which is the lightest color, as the first coat, the deepest color as the second coat. Then you come back and still use the lightest color as the last coat. Remember, you are applying it in a patterned way, the same way you did the second one. Try to use it to cover that brown, just like you use the brown to cover the yellow. And that's all you need for two-tone. It's very, very simple, as you can see. Very, very simple. And then once you're done, you burnish it. You burnish it until you achieve the glass and the mirror that you need. As you can see, the mirror is out already. The glass is out. You remove the tape. And there you go. So we've come to the end of this video. If you have questions, the link to my WhatsApp is in my description box. You can ask me questions on the design. You need tools and you need materials. You can as well send me a DM. Thank you very much for stopping by. I'll see you in my next video.